Sony WF-1000XM5 arriving soon with delicate sound quality. The wonder kind Sony is spectacularly accurate as the firm is up to launch WF-1000XM5 earbuds. The new wireless earbuds arrive as a successor to its previous and finest Sony WF-1000XM4, which positively offered some good integrand. Previously, the Sony WF-1000XM5 came to light and sensed something was up ahead of it. A new leak has now embarked and offered more details about the earbuds. As a prestigious reporter, we made some points over the leak renders, and the company seems to have a passionate appreciate on making the Sony WF-1000XM5 more delicate. As for weight, each XM5 earbud weighs around 5.9 gram, which is approximately 1.4 gram lighter than the XM4S. The device will sprint on the same track as its predecessor with an IPX4 rating, which allegedly means that the earbuds will be splash resistant, albeit the size com- compromise. Sony's forthcoming earbuds will accompany new 8.4 mm drivers dubbed Dynamic Drivers X. The hefty driver in the device helps them to provide dynamic sound quality. It has been said that the earbuds would provide richer vocals. The earbuds flaunts to proprietary processor which break the reduced noise in the real time based on the environment noise to rule out the best performance. According to WinFuture, the device will support three microphones, including bone conduction sensor and precise voice pickup technology, to work intensely on noise reduction and superb sound quality. This will allow the device to spice up your voice distinctly, disregarding how reaching the environment noise is. The battery capacity of each earbuds is still unknown, but the charging case is likely to feature a 500 mAh cell. Moreover, the extended battery capacity helps the earbuds to offer a total routine of 24 hours. As of the time being, there is not any information on the pricing. However, WinFuture indicates that the Sony WF-1000XM5 will likely be launched soon. It means the device's launch is around the corner and you would not have to reshelve your cards until it stumbles you on the launch date. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe Techy Updates.